How to change the scene of any image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Begin by importing your image into Photoshop. Next, make sure that you have the layer selected, then come up to the square selection tool and then draw a square over your entire image. Next, click into Generative Fill and then type a prompt that describes the scene that you want to create. For my example, I'm going to have transform this image so the car is parked on an airport runway with beautiful mountains in the background. With the prompt inputted, we can click onto the AI generator, and for this case you need to choose Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro or the latest model if there is a new model since this video. With that selected, you can go ahead and choose Generate. Give Photoshop a couple of moments to generate this new image. Now, as we can see there, that's done a fantastic job. It's put the car on an airport runway with beautiful mountains in the background, just like I described. It's also added shadows into the bottom of the car as well to make it look more realistic. If, for example, you don't like the version that is given to you, you can come into the layers, hide this layer, reselect this bottom layer, and go at it again, refining your prompt to get the perfect image for what you need. But that's all there is to it.